All right, we are going to get started with our Monday math lesson. We're going to kind of pick up where we left off last week. We were working on this break apart strategy. Remember, as we're working through this chapter, it is giving strategies to help you work on adding two-digit numbers quickly and accurately. If you can do it quickly and accurately without using one of these strategies, you are fine to do that. I'm just giving you some strategies to use in case you find this difficult for yourself. All right? So we worked on this break apart strategy on Friday. We took both of these numbers and we broke them into tens and into ones. And then we were able to add up our tens, add up our ones, and figure out our answer. So today we're going to do it just a little bit differently. We are going to keep this number whole. So I'm going to keep this number 37. Again, these are just for you to practice and be watching as I complete them. I'll have your assignment at the end of this lesson. So keep 37 whole. I'm going to break apart my 32. So remember, 32 breaks into a 30 and then two ones. Okay, so 37 plus 30. So I need to add 3 tens to that. 37, 47, 57, 67, and then I need to add 2 little ones, 68, 69. So I figured my answer out to be 69. Again, if it helps you to write out this information, you could write 37 plus 30 got me to 67, and then I added on my 2 little ones to come to the complete answer of 69. All right, let's walk through another one like this just to give us some more practice. Again, if this is a strategy that you find helpful, please use it. If this isn't, just set your problem up and work it out like you know how to do. Notice for break apart, my problems are going horizontal. To add it the way that we have talked about, we're going to need to turn it vertical, okay? But for this strategy, I need my problem turned this way. So again, 43 plus 12. I'm going to leave my 43 as my whole, and I'm going to break apart my 12. So a 12 is 10, which is just 1 10, and 2 little ones. So 43 plus 10 more, that's going to make me 53. And now I just have to add the 2 to it. 53 plus 2 more is going to give me the answer of 55. 53, 54, 55. Right? Again, if this problem is not making sense to work out this way to you, and you would rather work it by stacking it, go for it. Just a strategy to help you. 58 plus 4. All right, I can't break this down into tens. There are no tens there. There are just 4 ones. So the only thing I can do is be at 58 and count on 4. 59, 60, 61, 62. So my answer would be 62. Gets to be a little tricky when I only have a ones digit and I can't break it apart to add, especially when it's one that I would need to regroup for. All right, let's practice another one. How about the problem? 71 plus 18. So I'm going to leave my 71 whole, and I'm going to break apart my 18. Well, I know 18 means I have 1 10, and I have 8 ones. So I'm going to set this problem up. 71 plus 10. I know when I add these two together, I get 81 plus 8. 81 plus 8. Again, if I can't work the problem going that way, you're welcome to stack it over here on the side. Add up your ones. 1 plus 8 is 9. 8 plus a nothing makes 8. So you get the answer of 89. All right, let's look at another example here. 17 plus 65. Again, I'm going to leave my 17, break apart this 65. So 65 breaks into 6 tens, which means 60, and 5 ones. So again, I'm going to add my 17 and my 60. That means I need to go 6 more tens. So I'm at 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77. So I would have 77, and I would need to add 5 more. Again, if this is a problem you can't figure out in your head, you could stack it. Makes it a little easier. That we just have to add 5 more. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry my 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. There's nothing here, so my answer would just be 82. I could also find that by going to 77 and counting on 5 more. 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. I would arrive at the same answer. Right? Now let's look at a couple of story problems and use this strategy to help us solve. There are 29 flowers in the garden. There are 5 flowers in the pot. How many flowers are there in all? So my equation would look something like this. There are 29. We add 5 more to it to figure out how many flowers there are in all. Again, this is just adding a ones digit. So it's probably easier for us to turn our problem going vertical and just add 9 plus 5, we get 14, regroup. 1 plus 2 is 3, there's nothing there, so 3 it is. So that means our answer would be 39, and my label would be flowers, because my question said, how many flowers are there in all? Again, you could solve this one by going 29, 5 more, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I would arrive at the same answer. All right, let's look at another one that has a tens and a ones digit here. Stella has 29 cookies. She gets 17 more cookies. How many cookies does she have in all? All right, so my problem says we have 29. We get 17 more, and we need to figure out how many do we have in all. So if I'm going to use my break apart strategy that we've been going over today, I'm going to leave my 29 whole, and I'm going to break apart 17 into 1 10 and 7 ones. 29 plus 10 more, my count by tens, 39. And then I would need a plus 7. Again, that's a problem I can't work out in my head. So I may need to start at 39, count on 7 more, or take my problem, turn it going vertical. 9 plus 7 makes 16. We know our plus 9s. 1 plus 3 makes 4. There's nothing in that spot. So an answer of 46. And again, if I go 39, 7 more, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So I get my same answer. My label, how many cookies does she have in all? Well, she has 46 cookies. All right. Again, this is the second part of the break apart strategy. If it's a strategy that you would like to use, please feel free. If it's a strategy that you don't find useful and you would rather just add your numbers vertically, you are welcome to do that. So these next 8 problems are yours to do on your own. It says to use the break apart strategy. You don't have to if you would rather just turn them vertical. Please remember to turn them vertical to work them out. They are turned horizontal to help you with the break apart strategy. And then you also have your 2 story problems. If you have any questions, let me know.